Right, gonna start getting the car back down apart and get all the bits and bobs in there, put on the car. So we're gonna go in adjustable bottom arms, tie rods, and then gonna do the dust shields on top arms just to make sure all okay, so we can sort out the camber on the front end. But yeah, I think just making a start. Get the front end off today, bonnet, just maybe get the wheels off, get ready for doing bits and bobs. So continue on, took the front end off. I checked the markings because I was a little bit paranoid. I marked all the suspension components, all the brake components, all the bits and bobs like tower bolts with engineer's marker, just to see if anything moves while I'm driving around. I think I've done a couple hundred miles now and nothing moved, so that was a bonus. So today probably going to be cut up, wheels off, suspension off maybe, and see how far I get. So, got this far today. Good progress. Everything came undone nicely. Ball joints split. Everything's nice and clean for once. That's the culprit. So, replacing with a nice uprated silicone ones. I'll find where it's from, but I put the same two on the rear and they are holding nicely. Made out, I think, silicone. And yeah, just a massive upgrade over that. Mate of mine recommended them and they've been really good. So I'm gonna put it all back, clean it up while I'm here, and yeah, all back together. We are now top arms done on this side anyway. Gonna check the other side shortly. This is my third evening on this. I'm not really rushing. Today the plan is to get the bottom bits done, or to take them off. Tie rod and the bottom arm, get that down. Loosely put those adjustable ones on. I think they can go on the wrong way. And then if I get a chance, make a start on the other side. But like I said, I'm doing this in the evenings. Not really rushing. So yeah, onwards and upwards, slowly and steady, and then I'll whiz around with a torque wrench and get everything tightened. So I think the plan is to basically, as a starting point, take a measurement of this one, the one I had on the car, and then basically do the same on the adjustable one, just to start. So here we go. That arm is done. I forgot to say, the bushings have to be oriented the right way. There's a little line on the bush to make the sleeve rotate the right way. Otherwise that will not quite go in and align properly. So I think the line on this side bush got to face the tyre. And then on the other side, it's got to face the car. And there's a line like this. Hopefully you can just see it. Where is it? There, you can just make it out on that line. So on this side, it's got to go to the tyre, and on the other side, it's basically got to go towards the car. Or at least that's how I understood it. I'm sure you can tell me if I got it wrong. But that's the new tie rod. You can see straight out of the bag is shorter, so I'm gonna wind it up to there. And yeah, that's how I'm using to measure this off. Tie it up, and then that's a good I don't know, half an inch I think, or quarter of an inch. It needs to come back out, and then the bushes apparently has to go that way, the softer on the inner side with the poly on the outer. So hopefully get that wound on now. So done this bit, done this side. It's not tight, just all loosely on, so I will go around with the torque wrench getting this sorted. I set the camber roughly about -1 degree, but this is just for now. It will get a proper setup. I'm hoping to get in touch with Slark and see what they can do for me, or hopefully can get myself over there after all of this is done. So this is on to the next side. So this is not holding anything, it's just being under there, out of the way, just in case something fails. I do have the wheels underneath there, the axle stands, and that just in case. But like I said, it's only if it drops, but any means it's like a extra safety. Yeah, so we'll do this side. Hopefully it shouldn't take me too long, because yeah, had to practice on the other side, and everything should be fairly new on there anyway. So tidy all up, clean it up, and whack the other side, put all the new good bits on. Cool. Side done. Just gonna have a look, make sure all nice and tight, all that in place, get all this sorted, maybe lube up the suspension just in case. Yeah, and then I've got the book at the ready. I'm gonna go around each side, torque it up, mark it with my yellow pen to make sure all okay, and yeah, using proper torque settings. Looks like it's pretty much 45 Newton meters to 50 on the range, so tied by the subframe is 30 actually, yeah, so 30 to 50. But yeah, so just gonna go around with the book, and yeah, job's pretty much done. We'll lock in all the adjustable bits in place as well, just so it doesn't get undone and loose. But yeah, not a bad job. So all done. This side all done. All done to spec per Haynes manual. Gone around, made sure it's all nice and tight. Also marked the bolts just to check for later. Tidied up this as well. Done the mark at the bottom bolt joint. Refreshed all the washers. Yeah, all done. So all that's left now is just basically put the wheels on. I've tightened up the adjuster bolts, and I guess the nut and bolt over there as well, so it should be all nice and tight. Kind of set it up to about degree / towards 0 degrees ish. I haven't got a digital scale, but we'll get one to check. Right, just gonna stick the wheels back on and drop the car. The job's done.